Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm putting myself to the ultimate test, a full week of peak performance using only vegan meal prep. That's right, no meat, no dairy, just 100% plant-powered fuel. But here's the twist. I'm not just doing this to try something new. I want to see if plants alone can power me through my intense workouts, keep my mind sharp, and help me feel more energized and focused than ever before. Can a well-planned vegan meal prep really unlock your potential and help you thrive in your day-to-day grind? That's what we're here to find out, and I'm bringing you along for the ride. Whether you're vegan curious, a fitness enthusiast, or someone just trying to eat better, you're going to love this journey. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be surprised by what a plate of plants can do. We're going to break down exactly how to prep, cook, and fuel like a pro. No fancy skills needed, no chef hat required, just pure, delicious, nutrient-packed meals. Ready to shake up your routine and feel amazing? Let's get started. Let's be real. Meal planning can feel like a full-time job. You wake up, you're hungry, you scramble to find something decent, and the next thing you know, it's lunchtime and you're grabbing whatever's fastest, not necessarily what's healthiest. I've been there. But what if you could prep just once or twice a week and have all your meals ready to go, saving time and fueling your body with premium nutrition? That's where vegan meal prep shines. It's not about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom from wondering what to eat, freedom from energy crashes, and freedom from relying on processed, overpriced grab-and-go options. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I prepped an entire week of meals, colorful bowls loaded with grains, greens, proteins, and healthy fats. I'll also walk you through why each meal works, not just for taste, but for performance. We'll cover plant-based proteins, fiber-rich carbs, and those all-important healthy fats that help you stay full and focused all day long. Talk food science, the delicious kind. One of the biggest myths floating around is that plant-based diets don't provide enough protein. But did you know that a single cup of lentils has about 18 grams of protein? Or that tofu and tempeh are complete proteins, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids? Combine that with quinoa, chickpeas, hemp seeds, and edamame, and you're looking at a protein powerhouse that's entirely plant-based. And let's not forget the healthy fats, avocados, walnuts, chia seeds, olive oil. They do more than keep you full. They help regulate hormones, support brain health, and boost mood. As for carbs, not all carbs are the enemy. In fact, complex carbs like sweet potatoes, oats, brown rice, and whole grains are the fuel your body needs for lasting energy. When paired right, these foods create a complete performance-enhancing meal plan that's not only effective, but satisfying. And the best part? You can prep it all in under 2 hours a week. We're heading into the kitchen for a real-time meal prep demo. I'm starting with one of my go-to bowls, roasted chickpeas, quinoa, rainbow veggies, and a creamy tahini drizzle. I'll walk you through the steps, chopping veggies, seasoning with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and cumin, roasting everything to crispy perfection, and assembling it into balanced meals. You'll see how easy it is to make your own meal prep kits. Just grab, heat, and eat. We'll also throw together a power-packed smoothie using spinach, frozen bananas, plant-based protein powder, flaxseed, and almond butter, the perfect post-workout boost. For snacks, energy bites made from oats, dates, and peanut butter that keep you full without weighing you down. Everything is budget-friendly, family-friendly, and best of all, taste bud approved. Whether you're prepping for a busy work week or planning for fitness gains, these meals make it easy to stick to your goals. So here's the final verdict after a full week of vegan meal prep. Did it fuel my workouts? Absolutely. I felt lighter, more energized, and surprisingly strong throughout the week. My digestion improved, I had zero crashes or brain fog, and I even slept better. And you know what else? I saved time and money. No more endless takeout or skipping meals. Just nutrient-dense, performance-packed food ready when I needed it. The biggest takeaway? You don't need animal products to thrive. With a little planning and some creativity, plants can give your body everything it needs and more. I hope this video showed you that vegan meal prep isn't just for hardcore athletes or nutrition nerds. It's for anyone who wants to feel their best without spending hours in the kitchen. So if you're ready to level up your energy, simplify your meals, and crush your goals, give plant-based meal prep a shot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, recipes, and wellness challenges. I'd love to hear your experience or answer your questions in the comments below.